500 कार्ड से करता हूँ। अबे कार्ड कहाँ गया मेरा यार? हाँ तो भाई साहब, ये भाई साहब तो अपना बटवा वगैरह के चले आए, बट आई नो यू ऑल आर वाइज पीपल. So the topic today is don't put your all eggs in one basket. What it is? So before deep dive inside, we need to understand what are eggs and what is basket. Eggs are something which is the most precious thing of yours, which is the most precious and important thing of yours. And if I ask what is the most important thing in your life, what it is? Yeah, tell me. Money? People, mobile, laptop, your home. Okay, for me it's peace of mind, shanti. That's the most important thing I feel in my life, and I feel it is the important thing for you as well. Am I right? So how do we lose our peace of mind? I will talk about that in the rest of the video. Now the basket. Here the quote is also basket. Don't put your all eggs in one basket. What is the basket? Basket is a place where you feel safe or you feel safety. If you put your precious thing, it will feel safe. I don't want to lose that precious thing. So basket is something that gives you the safety, right? So how peace of mind is important, and how we lose our peace of mind. What is that which is taking away peace of our mind? What is that which is taking away our peace of mind from us? That's the most important thing. ना कीमती खजाना हमसे कौन लेके चला जाता है? So the first thing is health, mental health or physical health. It could be when we are not taking care of our health, right? And the second is disturbance in relationship or turmoil in relationship, right? And the third one is the financial crisis in our life. So let's understand health is the precious thing, and what is the basket here, what is the right basket and what is the wrong basket. So what is the right basket is, let's first talk about the wrong basket. Wrong basket is something like you don't take care of your health. You are sleeping late night and you are eating wrong foods, and you are not taking care of your health, eating junk food that is creating acid in your body. So our body should have alkaline in nature, so you need to eat cucumber and all those things to make the body alkaline. So if you are taking care of your body and eating right food, that means you are putting into a right basket. You are not dependent on one junk food. You are not biased towards that food. You know what is healthy for you, not tasty for you, right? Most of the time we get biased towards the tasty foods like burger and this and all those things. What is the second thing is relations. So these are the priority. First is the mental health, second is your physical health. First one is health. It comprises of both mental and physical health. Second is relationships. So your relationship, in like if you are having a lot of expectations with others, then my friend, I can say that nobody can make you happy, because your expectation is what making you unhappy. You are dependent on others too much for your happiness. You are begging too much for the happiness or the peace of mind, and it's your own creation of your thoughts which is creating a sorrow or sadness inside you, because you are expecting. So what is the right basket? How we can make harmony in our relationship, right? स्वीकार करो, लोगों को स्वीकार करो, उनकी गलतियों को स्वीकार करो, क्योंकि कोई परफेक्ट नहीं है, मैं भी परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ. Neither I am perfect nor they are perfect. From this very understanding we came to an hope that nobody is perfect, and this is what sets our free. That is what gives freedom to talk. Instead of expectations, we are accepting people's behavior, and this is what brings the harmony in relations. So you understand, you don't have to be dependent on any one thing. Too much of everything is a poison. Are you getting my point? So now talk about the money, finance, monetary, right? So if you are putting your eggs in the wrong basket, what is the wrong basket here? Like poor money management, not understanding the assets and liabilities. Okay, and it could be like a shiny object syndrome. You got attracted towards and partying all night. You're not managing your money, not doing the budgeting. So all those things, if you are not doing, you are putting in the wrong basket your money. But if you having knowledge where to put your money, FD, assets like real estate, or you are putting money, it could be stock market if you have knowledge, or mutual funds. It could be real estate, and a lot more option where your money is growing, where money is safe. And you it could be a Facebook. If you are putting as a businessman, you are putting your ads on Facebook, and there is a return on investment, right? Bing ads, Google ads, and all those things. And if you are taking all the money in one place, like on only Facebook ads, then you are doing other mistakes. If you are putting all the money on Bing ads or Google ads, or not separate the money for your home expenses, for your personal expenses, for your home expenses, then again you are doing the mistakes. You need to take out 20% from the income you are generating. So if you are doing these things and learning to make the balance between the all, you will not lose your peace of mind. So if you are putting everything in a right orders, nobody can take your peace of mind, because you are balancing and you are taking decision on the basis of peace of mind. This is how I make my decisions. If this is giving me the peace of mind, then I will take this. Even he is giving me 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakhs, 3 crores, I will not take. The peace of mind is the most precious thing for me, and this is how I take the decisions. So finally, don't be biased. Try to unbiased. That's why we have 2 eyes, this and this. See the negative, means like the worst case scenario. See the positive scenario, and from both the scenarios, try to detach yourself from the situation. See yourself as a movie character, and then try to take the decision as this is the guy who is having in such situation, and how he is acting out, and then you can take the better decisions. So at last, I just wanted to say, take care of your eggs, put into the right basket, and don't put your eggs dependent on just one basket. Try to get 2 to 3 baskets to have your peace of mind.